Hello students, in this video let us see about silent letters in English words. A silent letter is a letter in words that are not pronounced. There are a lot of silent letters in English. Silent letters cause difficulties for both native speakers and English learners because they make the spelling of words different from their pronunciation. There are some rules that explain which letters are supposed to be silent. If you know the rules, it will be easy to remember silent letters. So I am going to explain you the rules and also give you examples. Let's first look at A. Most of the time we pronounce the letter A. But if a word ends in I-C-A-L-L-Y, A is not pronounced. Try to say after me. For example, logically, musically, practically, basically. This rule doesn't apply in the words that end in A-L-L-Y. In these words, we pronounce A. For example, ideally, generally, vocally. Now let's look at the letter B. B is not pronounced when it appears after M at the end of a word. For example, comb, bomb, thumb, climb, crumb, lamb, plumber. When MB comes in the middle of a word, most of the time we pronounce both the letters. For example, member, number, symbol, umbrella. B is silent before the letter T. For example, doubt, doubtful, debt. Now let's look at the letter C. The letter C is silent after the letter S. For example, scissors, fascinate, seen, scent. C is not pronounced before K and Q. For example, lock, block, pluck, acquit, acquire. And now the letter D. D is silent when it comes before N and G. For example, Wednesday, pledge, badge, fridge, bridge. D is not pronounced in the following common words. For example, Wednesday, handsome, handkerchief. It is not handkerchief, it is handkerchief. In fact, the formal word for this is hanky. Next one, sandwich. It is not sandwich, it is sandwich. Now the letter E. If the letter E comes at the end of words, it is generally not pronounced. For example, for, table, before, right, give, hide, change. If the letter E comes before D, it is not pronounced. That is, in the past form of some of the verbs. For example, bored, fixed, smuggled, begged. But E is pronounced if the verb ends in D or T. For example, ended, wanted, included, started. Now the letter G. The letter G is not pronounced if a word ends in GN. For example, design, foreign, sign, campaign. If GN comes in the middle of a word, most of the time we pronounce G. For example, ignore, signature, magnificent. Combination of GH is not pronounced when it comes after a vowel in a word. For example, high, light, thought, daughter, night, way. If a word begins with a GH, H is not pronounced. For example, ghost, jerkin. GH is pronounced separately in compound words. For example, dog house, big head, foghorn. GH is sometimes pronounced like F in the words below. Draft, cough, laugh, tough. Now let's look at the letter H. H is usually silent when it appears after W. For example, why, what, when, where. Sometimes H is not silent after W in the words below. Whose, whosoever, who, whoever, whole. H is not pronounced in the beginning of many words. For example, hour, honest, honor, hair. And it is not pronounced in some common words also. Ghost, mechanic, school, scheme. Most of the words beginning with the H are not silent. For example, history, historical, hair, happy, house. Now let's see the letter K. K is silent when it comes before N. For example, no, knock, knife, night, knowledge. Now let's see the letter L. L is silent after the vowels A, O and U. For example, calf, half, palm, would, should, could, folk, yoke. Now let's see the letter N. N is silent when it comes after M. For example, column, dam, solemn, autumn, hymn. Now the letter P. Letter P is silent at the beginning of many words using the combinations PS and PN. For example, psalm, psychology, pneumonia, pneumatic. P is silent in some common words also. Receipt, course, cupboard. Now the combination of PH. PH is sometimes pronounced like F. For example, Sophia, paragraph, elephant, telephone. Now the letter S. The letter S is silent before L in the following words: Isle, island, islet, isle. First and the last words are pronounced as the same. Now the letter T. T is silent in the following words: castle, Christmas, fasten, listen, often, whistle, bustle, hasten, soften. If T before CH is not pronounced, for example, catch, stitch, watch. Now the letter U. The letter U is silent when it comes after G and before a vowel in a word. For example, guide, guest, God, guess, guitar. Now the letter W. W is not pronounced at the beginning of a word when it is before R. For example, right, wrong, rack, rap, wrist. W is silent in the following words: who, whose, whole, whom, whoever, answer, sword, to. Obviously, I have given you every single word with the silent letters. Hope the clues and guidelines will help you to pronounce the words correctly. Thank you.